In this video, I'll show you remove watermarks from any video in seconds. First, open your web browser. Go to the ezremove.ai website. Click Upload Video. Select the video you want to edit. Wait for the video to finish uploading. Move the timeline to the part of the video where the watermark appears. Click the Brush tool. Adjust the brush size if needed. Carefully paint over the watermark. Make sure the entire watermark is covered. When you're ready, click Remove Watermark. Wait while the website processes your video. This may take a few minutes depending on the video length. Once the process is complete, preview the video. After you're satisfied with the result, click Download. Wait for the download to finish. Open the downloaded video to check the final result. That's it! This is how you can remove a watermark from a video for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!